The star-crossing Enigma. How 3I Atlas challenges the deterministic law of the 10th dimension. For over a year, this channel has explored the architecture of reality through the 11-dimensional model. We have proved that the universe operates on a fundamental tension. The 10th dimension's deterministic expansive force of yang and the 11th dimension's unifying force of yin. The potential for free will and consciousness. But today, that fundamental tension has manifested as a physical object racing through our solar system, the interstellar object 3I Atlas. This object is either an unnaturally large comet, or it is the ultimate conscious signature of 11th dimensional design. The debate over whether it is alien technology or a mere rock is not a fight between scientists. It is a profound philosophical conflict between the predictable laws of the cosmos and the unpredictable power of intelligence. At the 11-dimensional model, the universal Tao, we assert that 3I Atlas is the physical embodiment of ambiguity, forcing us to confront the limitations of our fourth-dimensional minds and embrace the ultimate freedom of the Tao. Part 1. The Physical Paradox, a violation of natural law. The scientific classification of 3I Atlas is clear. It is an interstellar comet following an unbound hyperbolic trajectory past the Sun. Yet its observable properties defy standard cometary models so profoundly that its nature remains the greatest controversy in astrophysics. This object is a direct physical violation of the expected natural flow, the Anti-Tail Anomaly. Standard cometary physics dictates that gas jets are propelled away from the Sun. 3I Atlas displays an unusual stream of material that points toward the Sun, a forward-pointing anti-tail that seems to defy the solar wind. The signature of industry, spectroscopic data revealed an atypical chemical signature, the presence of nickel without accompanying iron, a composition similar to industrial alloys. Furthermore, unlike solar system comets, its coma is dominated by carbon dioxide, not water. The geometric coincidence, its orbit is aligned with the ecliptic plane of planets to within 5 degrees, a statistical likelihood of only 0.2%. This precision is described by proponents of the artificial hypothesis as potentially indicating fine-tuning or deliberate design. This object is either a statistical marvel or a technological message. There is no simple, clean scientific box to contain it. Part 2. The 10th Dimension Clash. The prison of determinism. The mainstream scientific impulse to categorize 3I Atlas as just an unusually large comet is the manifestation of the 10th dimension's deterministic principle at work. The 10th dimension is the force of cosmic expansion, the ultimate repository of yang, the law of predictability. The standard model of astrophysics is built on this 10D principle, relying on the certainty that every object must adhere to the known laws of physics, entropy, and gravitational interaction. The prediction failure. When an object violates the deterministic prediction, when it displays anti-gravitational thrust, anti-tail, non-natural composition, nickel without iron, and improbable orbital alignment, the deterministic model struggles. The only recourse for the 10D mind is to categorize the anomaly as an unusually large comet on a rare trajectory, simply because it must be a natural object. The fight for control. This struggle is a conflict between the known and the unknown. The ultimate comfort of the 10th dimension is the ability to predict the future. An object that exhibits wu-wei, effortless action that violates expected causality, challenges the very foundation of the deterministic universe. Part 3. The 11th Dimension Signature. Purposeful Will. If 3i Atlas is indeed an artifact of intelligent design, it represents the ultimate physical signature of the 11th dimension, the dimension of unification and free will. The consciousness violation. An alien artifact is the purest possible expression of consciousness, a system capable of self-determination, capable of intentionally altering its path and composition to achieve a purpose. While natural phenomena follow the deterministic path of the 10th dimension, free will violates that path, imposing its own non-linear trajectory. The ultimate ambiguity. The anomalies of 3i Atlas, the sunward jet, the engineered chemical signature, the precisely aligned orbit, are not random. They are the potential physical evidence of a Wu-Wei system, a technological system that has mastered the effortless manipulation of its environment to achieve maximum outcome, galactic travel, with minimum friction, intentional trajectory. The object forces a choice. Is the universe fundamentally deterministic, 10D, or does it allow for the purposeful, free-willed actions of intelligence, 11D, that intentionally violate its physical laws? Conclusion: the uncarved block of discovery. The controversy surrounding 3i Atlas is not resolved by more data alone. It is resolved by a change in perspective. The ultimate lesson of the Tao is to embrace the flow and the ambiguity. The object is a PU, uncarved block of reality. We must let it teach us rather than forcing it into a predefined box. The 11-dimensional model reveals that the true scientific endeavor is to stand at the point of ambiguity and admit that the greatest discoveries lie precisely where the known rules of physics break down. Whether 3i Atlas is a massive comet or an alien probe, it has already served its purpose. It has forced us to look beyond the predictable and embrace the limitless possibility of the cosmos. The journey continues. Thank you for watching. If this resonated, please like, subscribe, and especially share with any consciousness this may also resonate with.